Hi everybody, my name is Nurse Max and this is Max Wellness. Our aim at Max Wellness is to help you maximize your wellness one video at a time. And today we're going to show you how to take a turmeric powder every evening to get all the benefits that you need. So if you don't know, please watch this. This black peppercorn is what my Ghanaian or African friends call a surisa. So the reason why it's recommended to take your turmeric with either black peppercorn or white peppercorn is that black peppercorn contains a chemical known as peppercorn, and this helps with the absorption of turmeric 100-fold. So it's always recommended to do this before you go to bed for 10 days and then take like 2 or 3 days break and then do another 10 days and then watch out for the results. You get a lot of benefits. These benefits we already spoke about in our previous video. So if you want to know more of the benefits that you get from drinking turmeric every night, please watch our videos and in our YouTube channel. And please go down, subscribe, and then share our videos so that more people will know how to live a wellness life. Thank you. Enjoy.